Dumelang, Ngwanaka. Today, let's unlock the secret of coding from memory. When you truly understand data structures, they become shapes in your mind. The code lives right here, inside you. No constant Googling needed. Let's begin with the array. A simple list in Python. Think of it like a row of clay pots. Fruits equals apple, banana, mango. Each pot or index stores something, fetched by its number. Next, the stack. Like piling plates at a wedding. Last in, first out. LIFO. Stack.append plate 1, then stack.pop removes plate 1. Now, the queue. Imagine a borehole line. First in, first out. FIFO. Queue.append mother, then queue.pop left removes mother. Then the linked list, like a chain of beads, each pointing to the next. Not side by side, but connected by memory, showing how computers link information. And the tree, just like in nature, a root, branches, leaves. Each node splits into children, building hierarchies like family trees. Class, node. The graph is like the map of Africa. Cities are nodes, roads are edges. Graphs help us find shortest paths or hidden patterns between people and places. Ngwanaka, coding from memory isn't just syntax. It's remembering patterns, seeing shapes. Arrays, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, these are the building blocks. Hold them in your mind, and you can create entire systems. Watch. Class, animal. From memory, you can define behavior, reuse logic, and build something alive. The secret. Coding is remembering structures, not copying code. Like ancestors remembering stories, you must remember data structures. Then, Ngwanaka, build applications without fear. Coding from memory is freedom. The power is inside you. With that power, you can build anything.